you, but as soon as you switch your body on, I need to trust, need to trust, need to trust from you. So I finally sleeping nights, baby. Love or lost, got me lost, don't know if it's true, but I'm staying here for you.
What can I say from miles away to clear the air? Believe it is hard for me too, baby. The time is not our decide, our picture is unclear. I want to make it work, but I'm asking for your trust, cause the distance can tear us apart. We'll be holding hands at the end.
I need to trust, need to trust, need to trust from you. So I finally sleeping nights, baby. Love or lost, got me lost, don't know if it's true, but I'm staying here for you. I need to trust, need to trust, need to trust. I need to trust, need to trust, need to trust from you.
Cause I'm a bad kitty, don't need your pity, just want you to give me your love. I'm a bad kitty, don't need your pity, just want you to give me your love.
Yeah, I need you to give me your line and some more goody grow print to the one above it. Quick time is low, slow, you're running out, running out, running out, running out, running out now. Yeah, where to go, wanna know, when to walk through the door. Everybody say no, I don't. I just need a human in my life who'll be there for me, care for me, upon all my long. Yeah, just show my heart away. Limelight, get the time right. I've been thinking everything was not right. Time flies when it's your life, but just believe me that the days are staying bite-sized. Yeah, I'm on my way to 30 and nobody really seems to get me. They say, why aren't you famous? I said that I'm not dead yet. They said that's not a winner, but I don't think they get this, yeah. So push me to my limit, I'll make it all work. I'm tired of being asked if I'll ever play a show. I've been working so hard to stay cold, so I can just pretend that this isn't the goal. You don't get a say in what I do, and the burnout doesn't concern you. I'll build a brick by pouring brick this time, and then you claim the fame is mine. Dedication to motivation, and I am doing fine.